This is a tutorial on how to share your CourseSites course in the original platform. So this is CourseSites, not the Ultra platform, but the original platform. You start by opening up your course, and typically you're presented with the home page and your menu to the left. So you scroll all the way down below the content of your course into the course management section, all the way down. Course management, control panel. Go ahead and click the little arrow next to the control panel, and it reveals all the control panel features, including users and groups. Open the arrow next to users and groups, and you will be presented with groups and users. You want the users link. Click the users link. Brings you into the users page, and you can see all the people inside of that, inside of your course that have access. Right now there's just one person. You go ahead and select copy the shareable link. That shareable link allows anybody to have access to your course. Go ahead and copy that link, go to the email, go to your email, and email your user that link. Once they click that link, they will be presented with a CourseSites main page. If they don't have an account, they will be required to set up an account. And once they've set up an account, then they will have access to your course. Once your user has access to your course, you will see their name in the roster. If you want to change their role from student, they're automatically enrolled as a student. If you want to change it from student to instructor, perhaps to give them additional access to your course, you would go ahead and click the down arrow next to their username, and you want to say change user's role in the course. And then you would go ahead and say instructor and submit. And at that point, you will then see that they are also have access to your course as instructor. Thank you.